Good morning.
Good morning.
So we parked up at the campsite last night, had a few bits, like went, had a beer, had some food,
Yeah, it was
just
really
chilled
nice
out.
and sunny. So we took advantage of the surf club being open and had a few drinks and some nice barbecue food.
Yeah.
Everything is shut here on
Monday.
Tuesday,
So yeah, and we also spent all evening watching the rugby, catching up on all that, because never can have too much rugby. Today, what are we doing?
we are going to KiteKite Falls, which we can walk to from here.
It's about that way.
Then we'll probably have some lunch. Then we're going to go to the Tasman Lookout, which is on the hill.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll bring you along to the waterfalls.
Morning, duck friends.
Eels.
You can walk all the way through and you can't even walk. You can't walk through these bits at the minute. So here we go up.
Alex is going to show us how to use the cleaning station. Now she's clean. Alex found a very big tree.
Going to KiteKite Falls.
The first thing we need to pass. Are you brave enough? I think I said it whilst we were in Korea that I love a boardwalk. Something about being able to kind of freely walk somewhere and not worry about disturbing the nature. And just from kind of a sensory, like the sound of walking the boardwalk is always nice. But yeah, they've done a nice little job with this walk. It's just nice and peaceful. Trickling stream that's blue. What's going on there? You got this. Alex. That's very good. Go on. Go on. Go on. Just put them down.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I'm brave enough to go in.
There's also an eel. Just zooming about. Like, not big. We have an eel friend. What should we call him?
Gannet.
Dominic the eel.
So we just had a lovely swim at the top of the waterfall. It was very cold, but we did it, and then loads of people came.
Didn't get eaten by Dominic the eel.
No, didn't get eaten by Dominic. So now we're going to walk back down to the bottom of the track and actually see what it looks like from the bottom. I think there's a big swimming pool there as well, but I don't know if we'll bother going into that because we'll see. But yeah, and then we're going to go back and have some lunch and chill out for a bit before we go and do the Tasman lookout trek. But yeah, we cold water dipped at the top of a waterfall in New Zealand, so woo! Found a really nice viewpoint so you can see all of it. Walking through the jungle. Cool! KiteKite Falls, definitely one up there because we can even get to it from Auckland. Good evening!
Hello.
So we have come down to Piha Beach. Very chilled afternoon.
Yeah.
Sorting some stuff out.
Yeah.
And we're gonna walk along the side of the beach and then see if we can find the Tasman lookout, which I think is probably where those people are up there.
Yeah. Very windy.
It's very windy, but it's a lovely evening. So lots of people surfing still. Carving over. Going.
Hey.
I don't know if this is like the blue pool bit, and there's bits up there as well, but obviously.
Nice view on the lookout point. From one to Alex to another. Very nice. Hey!
Hi!
So we thought we'd end the video here. It's been a bit of a probably weird video, but there's been a really nice area to block out with the weather.
Yeah, he has been gorgeous.
Yeah. No, it's been really, really nice, and we thought we'll leave you with that view because
Stunning.
it's a good view to leave you on. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.